Hello everyone, hope you're doing great today. The drawing that I'm doing today is with the Pilot V5 Precise. Before I started the drawing, I thought about doing some portraits, but I figured, nah, I think I'm gonna do me some doodles and some zentangles. It's been a while since I've done any zentangles. I've been doing a lot of doodling with my rotring isographs, my Sharpie pens, my gel pens, and I wanted to practice doing this a bit more because I noticed my accuracy with my hand when it comes to drawing repeating patterns needed to improve a bit, so I wanted to work on that. And it is now the 5th day of Inktober. It's a pretty tough challenge, but I think by the end of this month I will have improved quite a bit, and that's going to help me push myself later on, because I think if I can overcome this whole month of drawing where I'm doing 2 drawings a day, I think every month after this will just be that much easier. And I was thinking to myself today about all the progress I've made over the years of my drawing, and I was looking at some of the drawings I had done a year ago, and I was comparing it to the drawings that I'm doing right now, and I feel that I have improved way more than I thought I would. And it's taken a lot of work, it's taken a lot of practice, and I just didn't think that I could get to where I was already at this point. I thought it would take longer, but I guess if you're having fun doing something that you do every day, I probably couldn't really call it work. I think at that point it would just be, a really exciting hobby. But for me, it's more than just a hobby, it's a true passion that I look forward to every morning when I wake up, and I think that it helps me improve not only as an artist but as a person. And I've mentioned this many times before about how it helps me get things off of my mind. I hope it does the same thing for you. If drawing helps get things off of your mind, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below, and we can talk about that. As of right now, I am working on making some food. I had work today, and then I came home. I was really hungry. I had to work on some videos to edit, and I'm in the middle of cooking right now. I'm multitasking between doing that and editing videos and working on some drawings. I noticed that I have days where I'm really focused on drawing, and I'll forget to even get up and eat. I'll draw for 6 to 8 hours. I'll be really focused working on drawings, and my mind is just so focused on that I'll forget to even get up and eat, and later on in the day I'm sitting there and I don't feel very well. I'm like, why do I feel so bad? And then I realized that I went the entire day without eating. And I did that today, where this morning I woke up and I had to work on these videos. I need to get some drawings done, and I wanted to practice my drawing, and I was studying a lot of artwork. So this morning I ate some eggs, and then after that I just continued working on things all day. And in life there's always going to be times where you have to make sacrifices to get to where you want to go and to be what you want to be. But in the process of doing that, you don't want to lose touch of who you are. You don't want to just look at the end goal and only think about that, because if you do that, the whole time that you're working towards that goal, all you're going to be thinking about is the reward, what's at the end of it, and what you get when you get there. Sometimes you just have to really enjoy the process of doing it. And when I'm having a day where it's really tough and I'm trying really hard to improve, and sometimes I start thinking way ahead, way too much, and I just relax a bit. I just think about what I'm doing in the moment and just really enjoy the process of improving as an artist. If there's any kind of zentangle you'd like me to draw, such as any type of animal, abstract shapes, or with different types of pens or different colors, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. If you like this video and these drawings, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and have a good night. I'll see you next time. Later.